Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu expressed his happiness at attending the event. He noted that this rally is held annually and emphasized the importance of road safety, calling it a top priority for the country. He highlighted Prime Minister Modi's repeated statements on the issue, stressing that every citizen must act with moral discipline while travelling on the roads.
Very happy to be attending the inauguration of Parliamentarians Car Rally organized by Constitution Club and JK Tyre. This is an event which has been continuously being done every year under the guidance of Rajiv Pratap Rudy ji, and I feel road safety is a top priority for the country today. And in fact, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has spoken about this on numerous occasions and how each and every citizen of this country should step up and be morally disciplined when he is travelling by road. We are losing almost 1,80,000 people every year. This is the statistic from last year, that 1,80,000 people have lost their lives. And it is not just about losing one life, it is the whole family that gets devastated, and a lot of people are dependent on those lives, and everyone's life gets devastated. I can speak from my personal experience. My father, Yerra Naidu ji, who was also a prominent parliamentarian and at one point of time Union Minister, he lost his life in a road accident. He was travelling by road from Srikakulam to Visakhapatnam, and unfortunate incident, at 2 o'clock in the night, he met with an accident and he lost his life. And now going back to that incident, we always feel that if there were some measures that were followed, at least putting on the seat belt or taking care of the driver at that point of time, maybe things would have been different. And I can feel that each and every incident has these kind of opinions. So it is very, very important for all of us to take life very, very seriously, to protect it and to ensure that proper awareness is being created on road safety. India needs that kind of change in the mindset, especially for the younger generation. Our Honorable Prime Minister, at once when he was speaking in Mann Ki Baat, he has mentioned that mostly young people are losing their lives because they don't wear helmets or they don't follow the rules sometimes. So this is a trend which has to be stopped, it has to be changed. So this is an event which starts the discussion from the parliamentarians itself. Parliamentarians travel by road for long journeys, and they rode long distances also, 200, 300 kilometers every day. Political leaders, politicians, they all do. And now parliamentarians have all come together to participate in this event. We have seen great energy also, but I would request through the media that this message should go to each and every household, and all the parents, everyone, including the children, they all have to sit together. They have to come together and discuss why it is very, very important for everyone to consider road safety as topmost priority. I see that in the coming future, with the efforts of the government and with the contribution of the society, we are going to achieve much better standards in road safety. That very happy to